Hello everyone, this is Pranesh from SNS Institutions. In the world of artificial intelligence, most powerful models are locked inside the big companies. Hidden from ordinary people, you can only use them through a website or an app, and the company decides how much you pay and what you are allowed to do. Then Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, did something completely unexpected. They released an AI model called Llama for free. Not just free to use, but free to download, modify, and even run on your own computer. Llama stands for Large Language Model, Meta AI, and the name also remains people of their friendly animal, which fits Meta's goals of making AI accessible to everyone. Llama become popular not because of it had some fancy features, but because it was open. Researchers, students, and small developers could finally play with a truly powerful AI without asking for permissions. Meta trained Llama and a huge collection of a public text, and they made a different size from a small version that works on a phone to massive version that competes with the best commercial models. When Meta first shared Llama, some people worried about their safety because anyone could remove the guardrails, but others celebrated it as a bold move toward democratizing AI. The idea is simple: if AI is going to change the world, then everyone should say how it works, not just a few rich companies in California. This is why Llama matters. It is not just another AI; it is a statement that knowledge and technology should be open and available to all people everywhere. Meta has released multiple versions of Llama, and each one has downloaded millions of times by developers in country on earth. So what is Llama actually made for? Its primary purpose is to give developers, students, and creators a powerful AI that can own and control completely. Imagine you are a student learning computer science with Llama. You can download the model and study how it works under the hood. You can even change it to speak your local dialect or understand your school subjects better. For small business, Llama is a gift. Instead of paying a monthly fee to use ChatGPT or Gemini, a small business owner can run Llama on their own server and build a custom chatbot that knows everything about their products. Actually, major benefit is that privacy. When you see Llama on your own computer, your conversations never leave your device. This is perfectly for this is perfect for doctors, lawyers, or anyone handling sensitive information. Real world users are growing fast. Non-profit organizations in developing countries use Llama to build AI tutors that work offline. Artists use Llama for generate ideas for their project without worrying about the content filters. Programmers use Llama to write code, debug errors, and even translate old computer languages into new ones. One of the most exciting features is that Meta releases different sizes of Llama, so you can choose that one fits your needs. The smallest version runs on a simple laptop, while the largest version requires a powerful computer but gives near state of art performance. Because Llama is open, a community has formed around it. People shared improved versions, better training methods, and creative applications that no single company could have imagined alone. This collaborative energy is something no amount of money can buy, and it grows naturally from passion of thousands of independent creators around the world. The future of Llama is deeply connected to the idea of open source AI, and that future is both thrilling and uncertain. The biggest advantage is that Llama prevents any single company from having competitive over control artificial intelligence. If Meta ever changes its policies or start changing money, the community can take the free last versions and continue improving its forever. This keeps AI the ecosystem competitive and diverse. Another advantages is innovations because anyone can experiment with Llama. New ideas emerge faster than in closed labs. A teenager in the brain bedroom could train a Llama model to something that no company has thought of it yet. However, there are real risks because Llama can be downloaded and modified by anyone. Bad actors could remove safety features and use it to create spam, fake news, and even harmful content. Meta tries to unsafety measures but once the model is out in the open, they cannot control how people use it. Another risk is that small companies using Llama might struggle to compete with the massive competing power of Google or OpenAI. Running a large Llama model still requires a expensive hardware. So, the freedom is not truly equal yet. The competition is intense. ChatGPT and Gemini are more polished and easier to use for beginners. Claude is safer and more honest. Grok and DeepSeek offer different philosophies, but Llama holds a special place as the people's AI. The cinematic conclusion is this: Llama is like giving a powerful engine to every mechanic in the world. Some will build amazing cars, some will break things by accident, and few might cause trouble on purpose. But freedom to try, to learn, and to create, the freedom is worth the risk. Llama is not just an AI model, it is an innovation to build the future together. And the millions of people have already accepted that invitations.